the way I would explain Hyperloop to somebody who has never heard of it, it is a train. Imagine a train, take away the wheels, and imagine it's floating on a magnetic field. And then we enclose it into a tube and get all the air out so that it can move faster.
The big idea of Hyperloop is that we create this entire network all over the world to make it extremely convenient to travel wherever you want, whenever you want. There's like different working modes that we have in the company. Sometimes you just have everybody with their headphones on, working and focused on their work. But sometimes you have these moments where someone has an idea, they get excited about it, they tell people about it, and very quickly you just have a group of people discussing like this new idea someone had.
So when there is a new idea popping up about the Hyperloop, what I love personally is that there is no wrong ideas. We have a blank canvas to work things out on, and it's your opportunity to come in and prove that what you're thinking of is going to be feasible.
We always use the whiteboards before, and now we have a big one, basically covers the whole wall. Well, you have just more space. If you have ideas that are evolving, you can put one here and the next one and the next one, and then you have an overview of everything. And if it's a small one, then you just erase and you put the new one, and then you forgot what you had before. The whiteboard is great. The big dream or the big idea is, I think if you summarize it, it's about bringing all the world closer, because that's what we're gonna do.